Sir, we are not able to see the screen, sir.
Yeah, I'll do it. Because it got disconnected, huh? Now?
Yes, so.
Yes, it got disconnected, some network issue. Right. Copied this.
Yes, sir, copied.
Copied. So the same way you need to copy the algorithm. So I told you indentation is important. Don't write all the statement leftmost. So by seeing this, you should be able to write the code. So algorithms means that one. You can see the algorithms. So how many statements are available under if, how many statements are available if statement. So now here if you see, if you write under this first statement, this one, under this statement. Now what is the algorithm says maximum element. Now write the questions here. Write the following for the problem. Write the following for the problems. First one is input size. Second one is basic operations. Third one is best, worst, average case, number of comparisons, and simplify the summation. This is what you need to do it. This is what in the examination also they will ask you the questions. Copy the questions. Copied. One should say yes. Naina?
Not yet, sir.
Copy. First one is the input size. Second one is basic operations. Third one is best, worst, average cases. Number of comparisons. Simplify, summation. Simplify the summation. Shall I move to next one?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So now you have the algorithm now. What is the first question, Ravi Shankar?
Input size, sir.
Input size. Now this
Yes, sir.
algorithm, what it does, make it unmute. So others should listen. See, here some names are visible for me that one person have called you. That's all. It doesn't mean that only one person targeted always. Just tell it. Whatever you know, tell it. If it is wrong, I'll rectify, no problem. Ravi Shankar, make it unmute. So now, so what algorithm says is nothing but here maximum element you need to find out. So now what is the input size you are sending from the main program? Ravi Shankar.
Yes, sir.
What is the input according to the function now? In between maximum element, what is there in this? 0 to n minus 1. Now what is the input size?
Yes, sir. 0 to n minus 1, sir.
0 to n, no, you tell me the number. N.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, suppose if you want to sort the element or maximum element, what you will be giving the input value first? Enter the size of the array. So you have to store the elements into the given array. So that is the reason you will be giving the input size is n. But according to the systems, it will be starting from 0 to n minus 1. Doesn't matter. That's why we'll be writing n only. Don't write n minus 1. N only input values. Now write the first question. Input size is n.
Yes, sir.
Input size is n.
N. Yes,
So I
sir.
have written it here. See, Input size is n. Like this, you have to write the examination also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Now, second statement is what?
Basic operations.
Basic operations. So I told you already. That is the reason I told you to write the algorithms, because you have the algorithms. You can see there, or otherwise you can see it here. Now, basic operations is nothing but inner loop. What operations are doing now? So inner operations, Ravi Shankar. What is this statement says now? What you are doing this statement? Huh?
Sir, if A of I greater than Maxwell.
So now what you can say that statement is called? Statement is what type of operations are doing there? What type of operations you are doing there?
Sir, if A of I element is maximum of A of I value greater than max value, sir.
What type of, according to the mathematics, is nothing but comparisons. Either less or greater than, that's what comparisons you are doing. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Comparisons
Yes, sir.
you are doing, that statement does, that is nothing but the comparisons. That's it you need to say.
Yes, sir.
First one is comparison. Next statement is nothing but, this one is nothing but you are assigning to this statement, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You are assigning. So now what the basic operations, this is called the basic operations, this statement. Now basic operations, first one is nothing but comparison, second one is nothing but
Assignment, sir.
assignment. Write it now. Comparisons and assignment. I have written, see here. Comparison and assignment. Right. Next one is what? Third one.
Sir, best worst average and average cases.
Best, worst, average cases. Now,
Yes, sir.
just listen here. In this case, 0 to n minus 1 elements are available. Now, here is, you are assuming that maximum value is equal to A of 0. So that is nothing but the maximum value. Now you are comparing A of 1. 1 is nothing but, A of I is nothing but 1. First element is greater than this. Second element is greater than this. Fourth element is greater than this. If it is that available, maximum value will be assigned. Now, are you, here is like this, how many elements you are doing, Ravi Shankar? Like this comparisons, how many times you are doing? Up to the last element, that is called the n. So, whatever it may be, the in-between elements, less or greater than, or whatever it may be, you are doing till end of the elements, till end of the array. That means once you start the looping from 1 to n minus 1 elements, you are doing the operations. So you are not stopping anything in between, isn't it? You are not stopping anything in between. So that's why in this case, write it now. Best, worst, average cases, colon, output, write it. There is no best, worst, average cases exist here, because you are not stopping in between. If you are stopping in between, then best, worst, average cases. So otherwise there is no best, worst, average cases, because you want to find out the which is the maximum element in the given array. So in this case, you are accessing all the array locations. You are not stopping anything in between. That is the reason we'll say there is no best, worst, average cases exist. Now write it. No best, worst, average cases exist. No best, worst, average case exist. Yes. Next one, Nayana.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the next one, madam?
Number of comparisons.
Comparisons. Right. Now, algorithm is nothing but, comparisons is nothing but, you need to take the which one you have written the looping statement. That is what you have to write in the comparisons. Now, I starting from where, madam? I value starting from where?
1, sir.
1. Up to?
N, sir.
Up to?
N minus 1.
N minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
n minus 1. Now that equation you need to write it. So now you have to write like this. Can you able to see my handwritten this here? Because in system I couldn't able to do it like this. C of n is equal to summation I goes from 1 to n, that is nothing but every time how many operations we are doing, comparisons is nothing but one element, that is called the 1. So right hand side you can write it within the bracket. Here equal is not visible. No? So right side within the square bracket you can write it. So this is expansion is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n minus 1 number of times. Only general equation you have to write it. That is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but n number of 1 number of times. That's it. Number of comparisons you write it. That's it. Only this statement. Written number of comparisons.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rashmi. Next, what is the last question, madam? Simplify the
Simplify summation.
summation. Simplify the summation. So now, write the simplify summation is equal to. Now, whatever you have written the comparison statement, you write it once again. C of n is equal to summation within the bracket you can write it 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is nothing but n number of 1 times. So how many times you are comparing, that's it. Here summation you have written 1, you can write is equal to also explanation, no problem. Or the same way also you can write, no problem. Right. So now next statement 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, how many times you have to compare? Ravi Shankar, you one respond, Baba, no problem. So in the algorithm, Ravi Shankar.
Yes, sir.
So algorithm 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, how many times you are comparing?
N times, sir.
Here you see 1 to n minus 1 times, correct now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 to n minus 1 times you are comparing. So because the first element is already you have taken one element taken out. So you are comparing 1 to n minus 1. So that is what you have written here. That is C of n is equal to n minus 1 times. This expansion summation of I goes from 1 to n minus 1. So that is nothing but the n minus 1 times. So if you have, I'll tell you that one other way of writing also. How to get it also, that one I'll tell you. Okay. Now, Ravi Shankar, you read it 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n minus 1 elements, that is equal to n minus 1 you have written. So once you write n minus 1, that is belongs to what? Here.
Theta of n, sir.
Theta of n. So any doubt to write this? Theta of n?
No, sir. No.
So 1 plus
No,
1
sir, no.
plus 1 up to n minus 1. Right. So now, any doubt, copy this. I'll tell you the still more explanation. Copied up to here, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you copied. Right. So now, what I'm saying is, C of n is equal to somebody, Ravi Shankar?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm saying is, just write it, other one, all of you write it. This is what examination you have to write it, but still simple way I'll tell you. C of n is equal to, everybody has to write now. C of n is equal to summation I goes from 1 to n minus 1 of 1. So number of comparison is there. No, you write it the same thing here. Don't write 1 plus 1 plus 1 and all. Just you write only this much. What I am showing, C of n is equal to summation of I goes from summation of 1, I goes from 1 to n minus 1. That is the way of reading. Now, Ravi Shankar is equal to write it. Now, you may be having doubt how to write the summation from this. Actually, the mathematics, if you have the constant, if it is I means directly you are substituting 1 plus I plus 1. So, if you have 1, upper bound minus lower bound. So, n minus 1 minus 1. N minus 1 minus 1. So, n minus 1 minus 1, what will happen? Minus 1. N minus 1 of minus 1. So n minus 1 minus 1 is nothing but n minus 2. So actually for everything constants, whenever you are doing, we have to add in the ADA programming plus 1 is the constant. So minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, n minus 1 elements. So that is what the n minus 1 element summations. So that is what still if you go for in detail. So this is more than sufficient for the examinations. Now let me tell you here in this algorithms, if you what is the input size is nothing but n elements. So if you are giving the n elements, you are storing 0 to n minus 1. The next one is the basic operations is nothing but this one. Basic operations is nothing but in between this. Inner loop, what type of operations you are doing. So no need to think so much. If you have less than greater than comparisons, you write it. If you are having double equal comparisons, you write it. So that's it. Double equal also comparisons only, less than greater than also comparisons only, or assignment statement. What statement doesn't matter. You write it your own words, no problem. There is nothing wrong in that. So just inner statement is called the basic operations. That is what here. There is nothing but you have the two statements. You write it comparisons and assignment statements. Somebody will write compare assignment comma comparisons or comparisons minus assignment. So whatever way you want, you can write it. That is what the second one. Next one is you have to write you have to find out whether do you have best, worst, average cases. So only searching statement you will be having best, worst, average cases. In this statement may not be available this. So that is the reason no, there is no best, worst, average cases exist in this case. Next, we need to find out the summation. General equation, you have to write it. So that is nothing but the looping statement, whatever it is there, just you write it, mathematics summation. So I, where you are starting. So that is nothing but the 1, 2, n minus 1. So here everything you are doing the 1 operations at a time. That is the reason only constants comparisons you are doing the constants, 1 only you are writing. That's what you are writing here is nothing but the next one. Next is maximum value is equal to a of I comparisons, no problems. That one we are not considering here. Next is you need to simplify the equation. So how to simplify the equation is nothing but I told you summation I goes from 1 to n minus 1 of 1. So here is you are doing the operations 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n up to n times you are doing, that is nothing but the n minus 1 times. So n minus 1 times is nothing but that's what the general mathematical equations have told you. That is nothing but theta belongs to n. So that is what the way of writing the equations. Any doubt, please let me know here. Any doubts? Naina? Rashmi?
No, sir.
Shall I move to the next one?
So,
Shall I move to next one?
yeah, sir.
Abhinav? Amresh?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to next problem? Where it is existing best, worst, average cases. Now, second example. Here is unique elements a of 0 to n minus 1. For I is equal to 0 to n minus 2, do. For j is equal to I plus 1 to n minus 1, do. A of I equal to a of j, return false. Just write this and write the questions. Write the questions. After copying this, you tell me. Copy this and tell me. Yes, copied. So one has to say after copying this. Amresh,
Yes, sir.
copied.
Yes, sir. Last two lines, sir.
Murali Krishna,
Sir, still copying.
tell me after doing. After
Yes, sir.
finishing this, you have to say.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll move to the answers. Nishant,
Yes, sir.
copied.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I now Nishant only. What is the algorithm says here? First line.
Sir, determine the whether all the elements in a given array are distinct.
No, I told you to read the first line.
Sir, unique element.
Unique element. So now, for example, I am having 5, 6, next also 6. 5, 6, next is 6.
Yes, sir.
And next is 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10 we are having. First element is 5, next is 6, next is 6,
Yes, sir.
next is so on. So
Okay,
the next first element what will happen is, so now what happen, I is equal to 0 to n minus 1 elements and j goes from I plus 1, that is nothing but the second elements. First element what I told you?
Sir, 4.
4. Okay. 4 and 5 is equal?
No, sir.
No. 4 and 6 is equal? No. So it will be continuing that one. There is no equal elements. Now
Yes.
it will be coming for I, second element 5. I told you 5, 6, next element also 6.
Yes, sir.
Correct now. So
Yes,
with
sir.
5 if you are comparing also, you will not get any equal elements. Next element is 6. So when you are taking the 6th element, you are comparing the next element. After 6 also I told you 6th only. 6 is
Yes, sir.
equal to 6?
Equal, sir.
Equal. So if A of I equal to A of J, so that means what? You are returning the
False.
false statement.
Yes,
So
sir.
first statement means there you are writing unique element or not. So you will be finding the if the returns true if all the statement is A is distinct. So distinct is nothing but unique elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no repetitions in that one. So if you have the repetitions, it will be stopping in between, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It will be stopped. So it will not execute till end of the program. So in between itself, it will be stopping. For example, if I'm taking the elements are called 4, 4. So 4 is equal to 4, return false. So there is no distinct element in this array. So that is the reason it will stop here itself. So now, can you say this is called the, you have the best case, worst case, average cases in this case, because the comparisons are doing, you have the best, worst, average cases. So while seeing the algorithm, you should be able to detail it whether the best, worst, average cases exist or not. That is what you need to say. So now, first question, what is the input size? What is the input size in this case?
Sir, n minus 1.
N minus 1 means I told you first itself. What you say according to the mass?
Sir, theta of n.
Input size is according to the mass. Mathematics. N elements. N minus 1 is you are storing from 0 to n minus 1 because 0 also one element here. So if you are saying n minus 1, you add plus 1. That's it. 0 also one element. So now what is the input size?
Sir, n.
N, write it fast. Time out. So I have another 10 minutes. I have to finish it because 4th and 5th one it will take best time. Next, basic operations. Basic operations. You have to copy it that one. Write the second one, basic operations. Basic operations is what here?
Sir, comparison.
Comparisons, write it. Write it here. Next one is, third one is what? Best, worst, average cases. Write it. Best, worst, average cases exist. Best, worst, average cases exist. Nishant, when it will be executing till the end?
Sir, no, when no comparison, sir.
No comparison, there is no equal elements. So till end it will be execution means that is called the worst statement. Worst statement means every time it is executing. That is what you have written. Worst case is array with no equal elements. That is what you have to write it. There is no equal elements means it will execute till the end. Otherwise what will happen? It will stop in between only. So worst case is nothing but array with no equal elements. There is no equal elements means that is what the given algorithm is distinct. So it will take more time. That is what the worst case. Written? Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now last one is what? Fourth one is number of comparisons. So just 1 second, see here, then I'll show you that how to write it. Now how many equations are there, sir, in this? How many loops are there? Nishant, only tell it.
Sir, 2 loops.
2 loops. What is the first loop says?
Sir, 0 to n minus 2.
That's what you have to write it. Summation I goes from 0 to n minus 2. Next, second loop. J goes from?
Goes from I plus 1 to n minus 1.
That's it. Second summation, you have to write it. J goes from I plus 1 to n minus 1. So that's what you write it here now. Number of comparisons. One is not visible. Just after summation, you put it 1. All of you. Otherwise, here first one is there, no, that you can write it. So 1 is there, but is not visible for you. Okay. C of n is equal to summation I goes from 0 to n minus 2, j goes from I plus 1 to n minus 2, 1.
So j is n minus 1, right? J goes up to n minus 1.
J goes from sorry, n minus 1 only. So write this first equation. So here I have written correctly, there I have written wrong. While scanning it is happening. First equation write it. So as it is, you have to write it. So double summation I goes from 0 to n minus 2. Second summation is I plus 1 to n minus 1. Yes, this is n minus 1, yeah. Here also 1 it is not visible for you. Make it 1 here. Because that's what I prefer Blackboard here. So if it is offline, I can do it a better way compared to this way. Copied here. Next.
Yes, sir.
Rashmi, tell me what you have written.
So C of n
Is equal
is to summation I is equal to 0, n minus 2, summation of 1, j is equal to j plus 1, n minus 2.
n minus 1. That is n minus
Sir.
1. That's what I was told. No, n minus 1, you make it all of you. So here
Yes,
it is
sir,
there, no? That one n minus 1. So this is what
Okay,
the
sir.
first statement you have to copy there also.
Yes, sir.
1 also. So now simplify the equations. So just listen, then you can copy it. Now simplify the equation is nothing but Nishant. Where is Nishant?
Yes, sir.
What you have written, sir? C of n is equal to
C of n is equal to summation of I equals to 0, n minus 2, summation of j equals to I plus 1, n minus 1
of 1.
of 1.
Okay. So now next statement. So when you have the two summations, you need to simplify inner summation, isn't it? So
Yes,
inner
sir.
summation, what is the upper bound? Here.
N minus 1.
Upper bound is,
N minus 1.
lower bound is
J is equal to I plus 1.
I plus 1 is the net one. Now this is the one element you are doing constants. Now when you have these equations, you have to write it upper bound minus lower bound, you have to write it. Now what is your upper bound? N minus 1.
N minus 1 minus I
Minus of I minus
I plus 1.
I plus 1 within the bracket, I have written it. Next is, always I told you, because array starting from 0 to n minus 1 elements, 0 also counting in this case. So first element also you have to write it. That is what here, one constant you have to add it, always like error factor only, plus 1. That is what 1. Okay? All of you, all are you getting? If you have any doubt, you have to tell me. So inner equation, this equation I need to simplify. That is nothing but summation n minus 1 upper bound minus lower bound, one constant. Now here is right hand side directly I will substitute n minus 1 minus of I minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Now this equation is n minus 1 minus of I. That's what I have written it here. Now in this case, two equations are there. I have split with the two equations. N minus 1 is separate and I is separate. Applied summation for both. So summation I goes from 0 to n minus 2 of n minus 1 minus of I is separately how to write it. Summation I goes from 0 to n minus 2 of I. That's what you have written it. Any doubt to split this equation? To split this equation? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, just, where is Guriya?
Yes, sir.
Guriya Kumari. So what I told you, first n natural numbers, general mathematical formula, 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 formula. That's what I have shown you. So now, if you have last element is n, before element is what according to the mass? Guriya.
N minus
Last
1.
element is n. Before element is what?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. Before that element. Tell fast.
Yes, sir.
N minus 1 before element. Why you are struggling so much? Subtract one more. n minus
One.
n minus 1 is one element. Next element, next previous element, you tell me. Subtract one more element from that. N minus 1 minus 1. How much?
N.
N only. Madam, you have n element, previous element is n minus 1. Before that element. Ravi Shankar.
n minus 2, sir.
N minus 2. Are you getting Guria?
Yes,
N
sir.
is there, madam. Previous element is n minus 1. That previous element is n minus 2. Now, why I am telling is, if you have n element means directly you can write it n into n plus 1 divided by 2. But the first summation here, what it is there, n minus 1. So up to here, n minus 1 if you take, so you subtract now n minus 1 only you take. N minus 1 means you have the equations is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 formula. So here is n minus 1 is there. So directly we'll be writing the equations is nothing but this equations we are utilizing this. So now I'll tell you this n minus 1 is there. So n minus 1 constant you have taken out coming out of that one summation. I goes from 0 to n minus 2, 1. Minus of I is nothing but, so this is nothing but the I equations. So now up to here copy it. I'll tell you how to do it. So this is not 1 by I Baba. So n minus, so second summation I goes from 0 to n minus 2 comma I that one, not 1. Second summation. Copy it properly. So the dot is not visible. Here after 1 dot is there, that is when copied from paint it is not coming properly. So where I am showing the cursor, that is called I. Copy it. Copy it. Guria, copy it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ravi Shankar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, Ravi Shankar, you tell me, because others people, some people are facing problems. So now here is n formula is nothing but sum of first n natural number is nothing but what? N into
n plus 1 by 2, sir.
There is no doubt. Now here this summation is nothing but what? I goes from 0 to
n
n minus 2.
2.
So up to there only natural numbers you have to take it. N minus 2. If it is n means n plus 1 divided by 2. Now n minus 2 next number is n minus
3, sir.
Next number, not previous number. N minus 2 next number. Sir, n is previous number is what? Ravi Shankar, n previous number is what? N minus 1. N minus 1 previous number is n minus 2. There is no doubt in that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, up to n, if you are having 1 comma 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n. So first n natural number formula is nothing but n into n plus 1. That is called the next number. Now you have natural numbers is up to n minus 1 only. N minus 2 formula you tell me now. General equation.
n into n plus 1 by 2, sir.
That is up to n. You have up to n minus 1, 2 only.
Yes, sir.
N minus 2 into, what is n minus 2 next number?
Sir, n plus 1, sir.
N minus 2 next number.
Sir, after n minus 2, next number is 1 plus 2, n plus 1, sir.
N minus 2 is there, plus 1 add it. For that n minus 2 plus 1 is how much? N minus 2 plus 1 is how much?
Sir,
n minus 2. So n minus 2 next number is n minus 1. That's what I want to say. That's what I want to get it from you people. That you people are struggling now. See, up to n numbers is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2. According to your summation, you have up to n minus 1 only. N minus 2 general equation is n minus 2 into next number is n minus 1. N minus 1 next number is n. You are adding 1. So add it 1, 1, 1. Correct? No? Are you getting what I am saying? Ravi Shankar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So up to n means n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You have n minus 2 only. Up to n minus 2 only you have to calculate it. N minus 2 means n minus 2 next number is add 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1. So n minus 2 into n minus 1 divided by 2 you have to write it. Now that's what the next statement, write it now. So n minus 2 into n minus 1 divided by 2. First statement is this is constant values, this is I value you are writing. This is nothing but only one constant you are having, upper bound minus lower bound. Upper bound is n minus 2, lower bound is 0. So next is plus 1 constant, you have to write it. Plus 1 constant is, you have to write it. That's what this one. So here also this plus is there, Baba. First statement, all of you please write n minus 1 into n minus 2 plus 1. So that copying it is went off. Plus 1 this. Where I am showing the cursor. Rashmi. That is first one is n minus 1. Next one is n minus 2 plus 1. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All of you. Ravi Shankar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Murali Krishna. Upper bound minus lower bound, you have to write it, plus 1 constant, you have to write, that is plus 1 because of visual copied. No, that is it is not visual because of the background. It is not coming that one. That's it. So remaining is background, no problem. So now, so next equation is n minus 1. N minus 1 plus 1 is n minus 1. That is nothing but minus of n minus 2. This as it is, you write it. Next is out of these two. You take the common factor n minus 1, n minus 1. Now remaining is n minus 1 minus of n minus 2 divided by 2. Write it a bit fast. Written? Next is, I'll explain, then you can copy it. So n minus 1 minus of n minus 2 divided by 2. 2 is the LCM. So 2n minus 2 minus n plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Here you have 2n minus n. Subtract this one. So n you will be getting. So n minus 1 into n divided by 2. So that is equal to n square minus n divided by 2. Now the last statement is, Ravi Shankar, you read it, no? So here is the second statement. See, let's just see here, then you can copy. What is this? 1 plus 2 plus 3, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. That is nothing but n square by 2 is there approximately. So Ravi Shankar, tell me, first one is n into n. Where I am n square divided by 2. Next is n divided by 2 is there, plus n by 2 also is there, but only we have considered first equation. Now the similarly here also n into n, n square divided by 2 minus n by 2. Now you consider only n square by 2. N square by 2 is nothing but what you can write, belongs to
Theta of n square.
theta of n square, because you have the 500 rupees, you spend some money in that, so 100 rupees, but 400 also belongs to 500 only, so that is there still. So you have the, when you have the best worst average cases, all these things from 0 to n minus 1, all is possible, all is belongs to that one. That is what the answer. You copy it now this. So any doubt now this? Recursion statements, just you need to write the simplification based on the looping statements, that's all. If it is I values are there, just subtract it. Otherwise, directly go for the upper bound minus lower bound. I will share it later. PPT is this, but now you have to write this properly. The answers. Copied. Naina.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ravi Shankar, shall I move to next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So any doubts this now? Input size, that is nothing but you can see the output and write it. Whatever it is there, add it and write it here. Basic operation is nothing but inner loop, what you are doing, the type of operations. Best worst average cases is nothing but you see it whether it will stop in between or not. If it is stopping, then you will be having the best case. Worst case is it is executing all the operations. That is what the best cases. Next one is comparisons is nothing but you have to write the summation. First loop I goes from 0 to n minus 2. Summation j goes from I plus 1 to n minus 1. Of 1 you have to write it. Next is simplify these equations. You will be getting that one in terms of theta of n or theta of n square. Now blindly also, if suppose if examiners ask you what is the time complexity, is nothing but n minus 2 into n minus 1. First one is n square, you will get it. That is nothing but it belongs to theta of n square. So directly you can say this. Are you getting? Shortcut answers in examination Viva questions. If they ask, can you say the time complexities for this, means you can say it easily. So n into n square, subtracting something doesn't matter, sir. N theta of n square is belongs to that one. C of n is belongs to theta of n square, you can say. Okay. So now this is what the simplifications. This is what your assignment now. Assignment is this one. You copy it. Copy this. Madam, first paragraph are recorded. Yeah, because it is danger for everybody. నేను మా ఎస్పెషల్లీ మీరందరూ మీ వాయిస్ వదలగలిగానే మేడం నన్ను సరే అది స్టాప్ చేయవలసిన కాపీ చేసుకోండి.